And all. Let's start with the session. Here, actually, I want to explain you one more thing with, I mean, like 1 2 lines of code. In future, we'll be changing our style of writing, like importing things, right? So, whatever codes were there in that code itself, I can just um, yeah. Actually, here we wrote import turtle, but actually, except like just I'm hiding this entire code, commenting. Okay, just push down this entire code, and now uh, instead of like writing um, um, import um turtle, generally we write like this, right? uh, Not only this, another way also we can do, but uh, I'll show you how can we do. See, um, instead of this from uh, turtle import and asterisk here. Okay, uh, this will do. Now what we do generally, what we were doing, nog underscore turtle something, it right? No, now it is not like this actually. Here we just turtle dot turtle, sorry, it's function, we are calling function. Then next generally we do, let's say suppose forward of 100. Let's see. One second. Here we just from turtle import. One second. Okay, I'll explain you this later. Somewhere some error it is showing actually. Okay, so as we discussed in morning session, uh, it will be going to create now graphical user interface. Nothing. If someone like Deepak Singh asking difference between calling turtle and importing turtle. See, here everywhere will be importing, but every time writing like initiating nog underscore turtle or Deepak underscore turtle, that will be a big hectic job actually. to short it. Some technique is there, but it is some error actually. I couldn't do here now. I'll check it and I'll let you know in next class actually. Okay, just forget about that now. Okay, so we need to now actually, as we discussed in morning session, we'll be using now graphical user interface. Let's say we'll be opening a window for login for login. No, not as T. T is also again Deepak Singh. T is again it is a variable. T is again a variable. Okay. Just here what you did, instead of nog underscore turtle, you just use T, but that is again a variable. My view is that we don't need to, no need to use any variable actually. Okay, that is the thing actually. Okay, just leave it. Okay, so now we'll be going to construct a graphical user interface, right? So to construct a graphical user interface, as we discussed in the morning session, we need to go for tkinter, right? This tkinter, this it will be allowing us to do the graphical user interface, because Python, it is just here the texture kind of thing you can see as the output. In Python turtle, we know how to make some beautiful graphics, but here it is like a window actually. We login kind of window, registration kind of window, right? Generally we see in all websites, in our operating systems, right? So just we construct to construct those things, we need tkinter, right? Okay, then here we just give a name like uh, let's say it is for what we call login um, login window. Let's say login window, right? With that, just create a REPL, right? So now our program, it is opened here. You just start writing program here, as we seen in other coding. Here also there are three different windows are there: number 1, number 2, number 3. Here you can see the graphic, and here if any comments or the code while executing, is there any error anything, it can be shown here, and here you write the code. Okay, so you just write from tkinter import now. We need to define a screen over here, the main screen, right? Then we'll see for each and every step what we do. So actually here this is part of this one only, screen tk. This it is part of this one. Now the attributes of screen starts from here actually. Attributes of screens starts from here. What attributes will be there for any window? Screen means here window, right? So we have geometry. Geometry means what is the size of the window? Size of the window. What can be the size of the, what we give here? Let's say some 600 cross 500 cross 500, right? 600 cross 500. This is the size of the window it need to open. Okay, once it is open, then what it is required next? The title of the window. Some title need to be there for window. So screen title, screen title, right? And here, let's say we can make some title like what we keep, um, students login, right? Students login. That will be the our title actually, right? Then next, now we need to label it. We need to label it. So when we label, we need to give the text as students login, students login. Okay. And what else can we do? Background color, BG, is equal to say some color. What color we use here? Gray color. Because now we label the window here. We label complete window which is showing over the title, which is students login, and background color it is gray. And what other attributes can be there? The font size, students login, those letters showing right on the window. What is the font style of the student login which will be written over the window, that we need to mention here. Font font style, it is let's say Calibri. We use Calibri, right? And one more thing we can use here, Calibri, as well as font size also we can mention over here now, right? One second. This need to be main in one yeah. Okay. This it is part of font. It is Calibri style, and the size is of, let's say, some 20. Okay. So here attributes like first text, which is showing students login, and background color it is gray, font style it is Calibri, and with 20 size. Okay, with these things. Okay, now just okay. So this is actually labeling the title, actually labeling the title which need to show on the window which we have created now, right? Then next, we need to see window is created, but upon that buttons need to be required, because when we see window, merely only window, it cannot do anything actually. Upon window, two buttons will be there generally. One is login, or second is register, actually login or register. So over the new users, they need to press the register button. Who are the already existing users, they need to just press the login button, and they need to add their credentials which they have registered previously, with which the credentials they have already registered, right? So what I do here, we start creating buttons, right? So button, I'm slow at typing, please excuse me. Okay, so on button, what it need to show? Text. It need to show login on the button it is created. On button, it need to show login. Okay, then what other attributes can be there? Same, font size. Now font is in this you have to write font, it is again Calibri, with size of, let's say, some 18, right? Anything else it is needed here now? We do, okay, if anything is there, we do later. Okay, then next you go for another button, which is register. and here text register. The name need to be show on the button. Okay, that is the register. And what is the font of font required, which is Calibri with size of, let's say, 18 here also, right? So this it is with this one. See it, how it is are matching actually with boxes. You can see the parenthesis. Okay, so this parent double parent, it is not double parenthesis actually. Okay, so now the screen actually window it is created. Upon the window, two buttons are created, and we have given the names to the buttons, right? Then now we need here we need to add one thing over here, screen dot main loop, because this is our main loop, because we'll be going to add many loops here. Not with one loop it will be, see, with only this screen it is not going to do. Why? Because when you press the register button, it need to take you to another window. Another window means another screen. You need to define that screen also, right? And upon that you need to register. After that it need to take one more window, right? So as many windows it is taking, those many windows we have to define with same screens actually. As many windows are required, those many screens need to be defined, but this will be the main screen actually. So that's why screen dot main loop. And here you just call the main screen back, because without calling this it won't print anything, right? Let's see now, just run and see. Right, so here it is showing. See, can you see this one? Students login, it is showing with students login window. Can you see, can you see this one, students login? Is it visible or not? Window it is created here, students login it is showing actually. And here it is minimize window, maximize window, close the window. This symbols also showing here. Because I don't know whether it is visible to you or not. Can anyone please reply me? Yeah, someone replied through chat box. Yes, okay. Happy Singh, yeah, thank you. Okay, so now, sir, but actually you did buttons also, but buttons, why the buttons are not showing here? Why the buttons are not showing here? See, actually uh, for that actually, what we need to do, we need to pack the things. We need to write just pack here to make it at center. Everything make it at center. Okay, one second. So just close this one. Okay. So you just need to pack it. When you write pack, that means it will be making it like aligning it to center actually. Dot pack, right? And here dot psk pack, right? Now if we see, just run it again and see. Yes, can you see login and register? These two things are there actually, login and register. Just click, nothing will happen. Just click, nothing will happen, because we have not created any other functions to those login and register buttons actually. So now the window it is created with students login system. And here those students we have just means new to this one, they need to press the register and they need to register it. And who are already having a login credential, just press the login and just log in into the system. But actually, sir, that is not, see, we are just created now. We are not given any functions to register and login things, right? When register it is clicked, what you are expecting, it need to open next window. That means we need to write here one more window, what things are required actually, right? So that is the case, but still so many things are cosmetic changes are required on this one, because you hardly see this kind of windows actually in professional way, right? So what we do, just stop it now, just stop. Yes, it is stopped. And now you just do one thing here, just carefully see here now what I'm doing. Label text, I'm not adding any text over here. You know why? And write just pack it to, I mean, center. You know why? Just see now why I am doing this. You clearly visualize now. Just label, because anything I'm not added anything over there. Just empty text actually, right? Label uh, text, in that label text equal to some empty text, and pack it to center actually alignment. Um, okay, then just now run it. Yeah, what changes have you seen here? Initially there was no gap between students login, this actually title and this login button. There was no gap. Now one gap it is inserted actually. Is it or not? Some gap it is inserted, and from here to here some gap it is inserted actually. But initially all three of these buttons, these two buttons and this title, all of them, they were mixed actually. Got it or not? So by just this empty text, which is adding some more space between among these different buttons and title. Okay, and one more thing here. See, this is like very small kind of thing. This is also very small. So we need to make some more like uh, bigger and brighter. Then what to do? Nothing. Here you just add height, height of, let's say, some 2. Every time you need to write in this 2, and width of, let's say, some 50. Okay, then make commas here. Don't forget the commas. Okay, so the text students login, this one students login, background gray, height 2, width 50. So here these height we are making less and width it is more, right? And font it is Calibri of size 20. Okay, this is the thing. Now just stop it and run it again. We'll see. Is it or not? Now it's changed actually. Is it or not? Now height and width. See how this button it is changed. Then now next we change the buttons also. For buttons also, what we do somewhere here or after, it doesn't matter, wherever you write. So generally just write here height of 2, comma, width of some 50. Okay, sorry, not outside. Okay, then just run, stop this and run again. See the login button, which is now bigger in size actually. Even okay, what I want to do, not 50 here, let's say some 25. Then just see again. Yeah, this is like more practical actually, is it? Okay, so this is login button now. So we need to see here, you can see clearly the effect when you just click over that. Okay, how it is highlighted, and just now it is like a button. Okay, same thing we need to make for register also. For register here, height of uh, uh, 2, and same width of some 25, right? Then comma. Okay, stop this one which is already previous running, then run it again. Yes, now login window. Okay, register window. You just click over here, you can see how actually it is highlighting, okay. So now here window it is created for students login system, okay, with login and register. Now actually we know our expectation is that when we click on the register, it need to open to the next window, need to asking the what is the students, what is his required username, and what is his required like what is his like own choice of username, own choice of password, then submit, so that his username passwords can be set. Then after that you need to come back to login, and you need to be login actually, that it is we see generally, right? So we need to do all these things now. So this code, now with this code we can create this one, and you can do on your own now many different things, like some cosmetical changes wherever however it is required, font size, fonts style, right, background colors, right? Even you can add background colors to these buttons also. It's up to you, got it or not, right? So you can do like whatever you want, okay. That is up to you now, how you want to change that. Now let's proceed in the with the coding now. So our expectation is that when we press the register button, it need to take us to another window, right? Another window. So we have to proceed to create here. So actually, generally we'll be going top, actually we'll be like, this is our main function it is bottom, and whatever it is created one by one it is going top actually. So here next one, it is login, define a login function, and here in login, then it need to show print uh, your login session started, right? Let's say, and later which if any other things are required, we add those things also. Next we define now register, right? Register one, right? In register, when we press the register, I'll show you again. Yes, actually here we are this login and register have not defined it. Okay, I do one thing because I am under construction mode now. Do one thing. Yes, and if you run it, it doesn't show you any error, because all are commented here, these lines. Okay, if you see here, when we press on the register, it need to open the second window, right? Is it or not? When we press register, it need to open the second window, because out of login and register we need to go first to register actually, next to login, right? So when you press register, it need to go to the second window need to be open upon this one actually, and which need to ask now enter your required, like how you need your password and username, right? Those things. And when we say submit, the things need to be submitted. So second window need to open. So now that means what? When we press here, means when we press on this button register here in this 20th line code, then it need to link to the next window. So here on 20th line, we need to establish a path between this 20th line to this diff register actually, this register function. So that it is need to be formed. So here what we do, generally there will be a function we need to write when this it is pressed, this register button it is pressed, then command, this need to command to the register, yes, this register function actually, right? So sorry, here space it is less, okay, right? So when we press on the button register, it need to command to this function actually. It need to command means it need to link to the another register screen. Now in this register, def register, what we are doing, whatever we did here, same thing will be going to do here. Nothing, no change actually. Here code size it might be increasing, but not complexity. If you know how to write this 12th line to 20th line, these 8 lines of code, which is saying actually what are the attributes of the window, which are geometry, title, right, and text label, buttons, right? Only these things can be carried over there actually. Is it or not? And if any extra things like while linking and these things, that it will be extra, which is not more than 5 to 10% in all the functions, like in all the windows. Let's say here, because here def main screen means here the main screen it is defined. When main screen it is defined, on the main screen login and register, 2 buttons with one text label, a student's login, right? And next what we are doing here, because the login and text 2 buttons are there, when we press any of those buttons, which need to take to another window means another screen need to be defined. So here 2 screens are required because 2 buttons are there here, because these two are operational actually, right? These 2 are options. Here it is not operational. If you click on that, nothing will happen, right? So when login is pressed or register is pressed, it needs to do something, or it need to open some other window. That means some other screen in that language, Python language. So here actually register screen and login screen here. And again in register screen also we need to follow the same things, right? So we'll see now one by one what we are doing. So just don't actually lose the linking thing actually here. Why I am writing command, see, that's why I'm not writing it a one stretch actually. I'm just opening the things, I'm unlocking the things one by one. So just I wrote these things. After that I have changed some cosmetological changes. Then after now I am linking, right? So we do one by one. Okay. So just stop this. Yeah, when button it is, then it need to command to register. So now I just unlock these things, uncomment these things, because okay, right? When I say command on register, it is clicked on register button, it is clicked, then it need to command to register. See this register here, right? And when I click on the button login, then it need to command to the login, right? Login. Next. Okay, so link it is formed now. Link it is formed from here to here. Link it is formed from main screen to the register screen. link it is formed. That is from main window to register window, link it is formed. Then now we start writing for register window. So here what we do, tab and define now here what we did. Screen one, we say this one is screen one because screen it is already did here. So screen one is equal to top level of on actually screen. That's why just I am saying that when register it is open, that the screen one means the second window need to open on the earlier screen. Is it or not? Right? And here this screen, it is TK, which is the function on Python actually. When we execute this code, screen will be opened upon the function which is written by the Python. Next, we are opening the second window, which is upon the first screen we have written actually. Got it? Right? Main screen. So here on top level screen. Actually, one more thing here, you define screen in this function. In this function, these all are functions. This is a function, this is a function, this is a function, all are function, different functions actually. But you define screen in this function, in this main function, from 12th line to 22nd line, you mentioned here screen. But when you use that screen in this register function, then it will be saying that no screen is defined. You know why? Because screen it is not defined in this function actually. Matlab, जो actually how can I tell you, like okay, let's say people generally say that okay, one simple general word I make here. हमारा यहाँ तेलंगाना में जो इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ते बंदे वो लोग बोलते हैं कि हाँ मैं सीबीआईटी से पास हुआ हूँ, मैं वासवी से पास हुआ हूँ. अभी बाहर का स्टूडेंट सोच रहे होंगे ये सीबीआईटी क्या है, वासवी क्या है, कौन जानते हैं उसको. बट अगर कोई बोलेगा मैं आईआईटी से पास हुआ हूँ, देन सब आईआईटी मतलब सब जानते हैं अभी. So like that is globally defined. IIT is globally defined. And this one, like say CBIT Vasavi, which is defined in our particular state. Right? In our state, people they know what is CBIT and what is Vasavi. वो जानते हैं actually. उसका reputation क्या है, उसमें पढ़ने से कितना placement से क्या है, वो जानते हैं. But not others actually, other state people, because which is not defined for them. Same way here, this screen it is defined in this function only, not in this function. To make that to known to everyone, here we need to add one more function here. Say global. We need to globalize that screen. We need to globalize that screen. That means we need to say here a global screen, so that that screen will be available. Global screen. Now you can use screen anywhere actually, right? Now you can use screen anywhere. So we have used it here. It won't be showing any error now. It won't be showing any error now, right? Okay. Now what we do generally after that, we just sorry. Now screen one title, as we did here, screen title, screen geometry. Okay, screen geometry. Sorry, 1 second. Right, screen dot geometry. So let's say what size it is required. Same size we keep it, right? 600 cross 500, right? Then next screen one here. Don't do these mistakes. Okay, screen one, because we are doing for second window. Then screen one dot what is the title? title, then write here title. What can be the title here required? Register. Right, register. Okay, so now these things are done. Next, what we need to do, same, the labeling. So label uh, text. So here, no, it is not much complex actually. uh, Text, what we generally write here, text, then register, one second. We do here, uh, actually first initially we say here, please, when please enter the details below, because don't forget the function of by pressing the register button. By pressing the register button, it need to say that enter the following details. What details need to be entered? The required username, required password. Is it or not? Username and password can be there. So in that username blank, in that small blank, actually we need to write our username what we required, and as our username what we required, क्या यूजरनेम हम लोग को चाहिए होता है, और नीचे में और उसमें पासवर्ड भी रहेगा, उसमें हम लोग को भरना है कि क्या पासवर्ड हमको चाहिए होता है. दिस इज इन रजिस्टर, वाइल रजिस्टर, बट वाइल लॉग इन यू डोंट हैव एनी ऑप्शन. whatever which is pre-registered, जो आगे हम लोग प्री रजिस्टर करके रखा है यूजर नेम पासवर्ड, उसी को डालना होगा, तभी लॉग इन इट विल बी एक्सेस्ड, अदरवाइज नो, डिनाइड. राइट. सो इसमें हम लोग इसके ऊपर ये दिखा देंगे कि प्लीज एंटर द डिटेल्स बिलो. देन वी से हियर अगेन लेबल टेक्स्ट, क्या क्या दिखना चाहिए, बिकॉज वी नो नो हम लोग का एप्लीकेशन के लिए कैसा कैसा चाहिए, उसी के अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग करते जा रहे हैं. राइट. इसमें कोई प्री डिफाइंड थिंग ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आगे मतलब इसका एक एक्चुअली सिंटैक्स है, ऐसा कोई सिंटैक्स नहीं है, ये लिखना होगा ये लिखना होगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. आपको क्या चाहिए, आपको कैसा चाहिए, बस दैट इज द थिंग. what you need and how you need, only those things need to be done here. Okay, nothing is like as per syntax you need to write this line, you need to write this line, nothing is there. Right. Only thing it is that you need to define the screen, and you need to next define the what attributes are required on the screen, that you need to add one by one. That's that the only that one it is I am doing. And what attributes you are adding, it is completely depends on you, it is completely depends on your application which you are making. Okay, which is not globally defined. Actually you have to add this attribute only, you have to add this line only, you have to no such things will be defined actually. Like, so you have to decide on your own what you need. So here text, and you need to write say here username. Right, otherwise we just write username, and which is one second, which is compulsory. So that's why you just make it star over there, so that it is saying it is compulsorily required. Username, it is compulsorily required. Okay, then next, label text, password, and that is also a complete definitely compulsorily required. So you need to write as it is over there. Right. Okay. Now you okay, these things need to be defined on second window. Okay, right. But you just see the main screen. In main screen, what you have written, just observe the lines here just after the definition of the main screen. What are the there? What are things are there? Screen is equal to TK, right? Screen dot geometry. Okay, screen geometry and screen title, then labels. What things are required actually? Login button, next button. Okay. Now here actually text. It is just showing that the text here, label text, and here also label text. So how these two things can be differentiated? How these two things can be differentiated? So this is text on the, because this is globally defined, and this is main screen actually. So which will be considered that whichever first showing on that, these labeling it is done. But here, so here we need to mention these labels on which window it need to be done. So here we need to write screen 1 comma text, that it will be correct actually. On screen 1 it need to show these things. So from now onwards you need to mention the screen, because in first main screen nothing, okay, no need to define anything which is directly taking everything on the main screen itself. From second screen onwards you need to mention on which screen what need to be written. Okay, so here screen 1 screen 1, right? Again here also screen 1, right? So here now the things are defined over the screen 1, right? And as we know, we can write here pack, it is definitely required. Just pack it, just pack it. Okay, then next, what else can be required here? See, you are using username and password here. When username and password are entered, what are those two things actually? You, what username and what password is, what are the username and password things here actually? Is it or not? So the username password, we need to mention them. We need to mention them somewhere, like what kind of like data they are handling actually. So here username equal to string variable, this one it is, because you are entering something, right? So while you are entering those username and password, what kind of that it need to be mentioned, otherwise there will be a problem actually. So string variable, this one, so it need to access the string variable function. And password, here password also a string variable only, right? Then now some more like here, these two things need to be come under this one. Okay, this every time you have to check this one, whether it is there on the def, means on this line or not. If line it is breaking, means those things which are not under that function, that it is you have to make sure that every time, which is common practice, it is required. Okay, so now some like cosmetical things, like some gaps it is need to be filled. So as we did, we do here label empty text, empty text 2 times. How many times? You just see over there. Yeah. So here and here we need to add that empty text. You just add the empty text over there. Screen 1, comma, text. Okay. Yeah. Then dot pack function. Now, actually, when you enter the username and password, you need to take entry. Actually, it need to take entry. So you entered here username. When username it is, then you need to make entry, because just entry, just by giving username, like you type something, right? It need to take, right? So it need to establish the entry over that. So here we need to define the entry function over the screen 1. Text variable equal to username. Right? So text variable, which is username, same thing we have to define the entry for this one also.
Sir, we have only 7 minutes left.
Okay, sir. Entry over here. Then here on screen 1, comma, text variable is equal to password. Sorry, okay, password. Right? So now entry is also made here. Then just say pack. So for pack over here and pack over here, and just start running. Okay, press register. Yes, can you see over here the username, password? It is came now. You can just start writing something over there. I think like it is showing very small in size. So you do one thing, you can increase the size. Just we do one thing here, instead of this one, we make it this 900 cross some 700, and here also this is 900 cross 700, right? And run again, right? Okay, so now you just drag this side. Okay, register, which is opening here, username, password. Can you see that here itself it is showing with very small this one. Okay, so again I'll just make okay. So when you just okay, tomorrow we'll see the cosmetical changes and many more it need to, because we need to continue till the complete program. Actually we need to make it complete application. Okay, this is just half only. So username, and password you can type here. And as you just try by writing, so what I do, I'll write all A's here. See, it is showing, right? And here A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is showing actually. Got it or not? So in that way, actually it is but here, okay, after this submit button, it is not there. Again, you need to add the submit button here, right? So how to, okay, we do that and we'll pack with the submit button now. Submit button, let's say how to add submit button. Then again, what we do, we just button, because it is button, right? Finally, it is required with button, button on screen 1. This it need to be mentioned compulsorily. Button on screen 1. Then what attributes can be there for button? Text first. Text with the what is there? Submit. Submit, right? Then let's say with the width of 25, sorry, equal 25, comma height of, let's say, some 2. Sorry, here this 25 need to be there in, yes, this one, it should be required. Don't forget this thing. And height, it is 2, right? And font of Calibri, and of size some 20, right? And pack. You'll see what it will do. Run it. Or some error is there somewhere, it is gone here only. See, can you see any error over there? Right? What I do here, let's make this only 10. Screen 1 is correct, right? Yeah. Right? So somewhere it is going in this hurry. Okay, I'll just show you again. Without that line, it is doing well. See, without this line, when I comment this line, it is showing actually. Okay, username, password, it is like everything, it is coming. But with this line, actually, it is showing some error. Okay, we'll figure out in next class, and we'll continue in next class. Okay. Calibri spelling. Acha. Okay, sorry. Happy seeing. It's same, right? Oh, sorry, BRY. Okay. Then, yeah. Stop and run again. No, not that. It will be somewhere, something, I don't know.
Sir, time up, sir.
Okay, we'll see in next class, in tomorrow's class. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your
Thank
patience.
you. Okay.
I'm ending this meeting.
Okay, sir.